Hey guys, and welcome to RoboCAD. In this HMI tutorial, I will explain you how to connect PLC with HMI. As you can see it from here, we have connections here and HMI and PLCs are connected. So let's begin. So here we have the HMI panel. I have renamed it to my underscore panel, and this is the PC station. And now I will go into the add new device, right? And I will select controllers from here. And in S7 1200 I have the CPUs. I will go into 1217C DC. I will select this CPU. The version is v4.2. I will click OK button, and after some time I will see a PLC right here. Okay, so I'm going back to the devices and networks, guys. And here we are in the devices and network. This is the PLC that we have just imported, and these are the different addresses for HMI, PC station, and the PLC. And guys, there are no connection between HMI panel and PLC, right? So we will make a connection. Let me explain you. I will go into the PLC design tree. I will go into the PLC tags. I will go into the show all tags by double clicking on show all tags, and here I will create a tag. So I'm writing here HMI underscore button, right? And a tag has been created for the PLC. Okay, so I will simply cross this window, right? I will collapse this PLC tree. I will go into the HMI tree panel. I will go into the screens, and here you can have screen underscore 1 or any screen that you have created. Since I have created this dashboard screen, right? So I will go into it. Now I will go into the PLC tree again. I have this PLC tags tree. I have the default tag tables, and this is the tag that I have just created. So I will simply drag this tag and place it here in the HMI panel, right? And by doing this, guys, the connection is created between the PLC and HMI panel. Let me show you. I will go into the devices and networks, and here you can see this green color line. This is the connection between HMI panel and the PLC. And I have done this by placing the PLC tag into the HMI panel, right guys? And I am going into the HMI panel. I'm selecting this connection tab, and here you can see this is the connection between the PLC and the HMI, right guys? And right here you can see a tag for the HMI has already been created automatically. And here you can see the HMI is connected with Symantec S7 1200 PLC that we have just imported, right guys? So that's how we connect PLC and HMI. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.